Welcome, everyone. Today, we are moving beyond the technicalities of regulation to discuss a real-world revolution in how we interact digitally. eIDAS 2.0 is not just a policy update. It is the catalyst for a fundamental shift in the European digital landscape, connecting citizens, businesses, and governments through a unified digital ecosystem. Let's begin with an uncomfortable truth. Digital life is still far harder than it should be. Organizations absorb hidden costs from onboarding friction, while users face failed verifications, repeated document uploads, and 24 to 48-hour manual reviews. The result is high drop-off rates, lost revenue, and poor customer experience. eIDAS 2.0 exists to eliminate this friction at a systemic level. The EUDI Wallet introduces a new foundation for digital trust. It is not just a digital ID, it is a secure, interoperable, and user-controlled ecosystem. In a single interaction, it combines three capabilities: secure identification using person identification data, verifiable attributes such as diplomas or income shared with consent, and legally binding actions enabled through qualified electronic signatures. Our objective in this section is to show how this is already happening in practice. We are seeing the first wave of transformation across 5 industries: banking and financial services, telecom and digital onboarding, government services, healthcare, and cross-border B2B contracts. These are not pilots of the future. They are live use cases shaping today's digital economy. In banking and financial services, the EUDI Wallet represents the end of friction. Manual, document-heavy onboarding processes are replaced by instant, mobile-first experiences. Customers can open accounts, verify identity, and transact with confidence, securely and in real time. KYC and AML are being fundamentally reimagined. Today's processes rely on selfies, document uploads, and manual reviews that take days. With the EUDI Wallet, onboarding becomes instant. The user simply consents to share verified data, and the account is opened in seconds rather than days, without sacrificing compliance. The telecom industry is embracing the all-in-one transaction. Instead of fragmented steps across multiple systems, identity verification, eligibility checks, and contract signing happen in a single, seamless digital flow. This dramatically reduces churn and operational overhead. Consider a customer signing up for a family mobile plan. In one session, the EUDI Wallet verifies identity, shares an address attestation to confirm eligibility, and enables contract signing using a qualified electronic signature. Paperwork disappears, compliance is built in, and the customer experience becomes effortless. Healthcare illustrates the power of user control. If a French citizen needs to fill a prescription in Italy, the pharmacist requests verification. Through selective disclosure, the wallet shares only the required e-prescription, not the full medical history. This is data minimization and security by design, working exactly as intended. Cross-border B2B commerce has traditionally been slow and complex. eIDAS 2.0 changes this by enabling commerce at the speed of trust. Businesses can transact securely across Europe, from Warsaw to Berlin to Paris, without rebuilding compliance for each jurisdiction. The wallet streamlines KYB and due diligence. A supplier can instantly share a legal person identity, an attestation of representation, and a verified VAT number. These are cryptographically verified in real time, dramatically reducing legal risk, cost, and transaction time. Across all industries, the same pattern emerges. Value is created by combining 3 elements into one trusted interaction: identity, data, and action. The EUDI Wallet enables this pattern, making it reusable across nearly every digital process. To apply this in your organization, ask 3 strategic questions. Where is your highest friction in onboarding or verification today? Which data attributes do you repeatedly need to validate? And which high-value transactions could be accelerated with legally binding digital signatures? In conclusion, the time to build is now. eIDAS 2.0 is not just a compliance requirement, It is a strategic opportunity to redesign digital services around trust, efficiency, and user empowerment. The real question is no longer if you will adopt it, but what your organization will build with it.